How much does Island Federal cover in terms of the island versus like a bank would,
Yeah. So for decades, that was always the advantage the banks had over the credit unions, right? Because these credit unions were small, they were tied to small organizations. They might have just one branch, one ATM. They closed for lunch to get a sandwich. So it wasn't the most convenient for you to use all the time. Whereas, Chase or Bank of America, they got thousands of locations and tens of thousands of ATMs you can use. So credit unions realized they had a problem. They said, we can't each individually compete with these massive banks. However, there's power in numbers. So the credit unions came together and formed what's known as the co-op, where let's say you bank with Island Federal Credit Union, we're a part of this co-op. You can walk into almost any credit union in the country and they can access your information and do just about all of your day-to-day banking right there as well. In addition to that, there's the co-op ATM network. So with Island Federal, you can go to over 125,000 ATMs across the world at no fee to you, including about 1,000. You're right here on Long Island. Whoa. So you can go to like a Dunkin' Donuts or a CVS or a 7-Eleven. Chances are that ATM is going to be in our little network and you won't pay a fee there as well. So that was one of the ways the credit unions kind of answered that rebuttal of, wait a minute, this is inconvenient for me. But also, secondly, the world's changed a lot. So much can now be done in online banking, mobile banking, and a lot of those tech providers that provide those apps and services to the big banks are the same ones that provide to the credit union as well. So you now get that perk of those great rates and benefits without the limitations that were there 60, 70 years ago.